Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, once more, I am starting novel The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. And in previous lecture, we have studied till page number 60, lesson number 12. Last two paras were left. So, I am taking today these two paras also, and you have to listen it properly. I hope you might have studied this topic also, and you understood it. Next paras I am taking so that you be able to understand. Lines are as the wicked witch stamped her foot and tore her hair in anger. As soon as the wicked witch saw that Dorothy and her companions are moving towards her, the wicked witch tapped her feet in anger on the ground and tore means torn, है ना? Tear her hair in a anger. Means she was very angry, so she tore her hair. She called a dozen of her slaves, the Winkies, and gave them sharp spears. Then she called her slaves, called Winkies, and she had given them a sharp spears. Spears means, children, spears means bhala. Go to the strangers and destroy them. And she ordered them to go to the strangers. Strangers means Dorothy and her companions, and kill them. Next para you'd see the Winkies marched until they came near them. Winkies marched means to move towards the Dorothy and her companions until they came near to them. The lion gave a great roar, and the poor Winkies were so frightened that they ran back. The lion gave in the same time the lion gave a great roar, and the poor Winkies who were coming towards the Dorothy and her companion, in fear ran back, and in this way the Dorothy and her companion were saved. Next para I am taking, children. The wicked witch now took her golden cap that had a charm. What is here? Next step, the wicked witch took her golden cap that was charm means beautiful. Whoever owned it could call 3 times upon the winged monkeys. Means it was the magic in that cap that she could call 3 times, and as soon as she called 3 times to the golden cap, the winged monkeys came to her. Twice already she had used the charm of the cap, the magic of the cap. She had already used it 2 times. Only 3 times she could use it. Only once more could she use this golden cap. Means the magic of the golden cap she could use only one time more. The wicked witch placed it upon her head. Means the wicked witch placed it upon her head, She spoke the magic words. Then Wicked Witch kept the golden cap on her head and used the magic words. What happened there, children? The charm began to work. The Wicked Witch was surrounded by a crowd of monkeys, each with a pair of powerful wings on his shoulders. Means what is here? The charm began to work. Means magic began to work, and very soon the Wicked Witch was surrounded by monkeys which were having a powerful wings. Wings means feather, punk we can say, on his shoulders, and in the shoulders of those monkeys there were the powerful wings. Next number I am taking, go to the strangers and destroy them all except the lion whom I want to use as a horse, said the Wicked Witch. Means Wicked Witch ordered them. Ordered them means ordered the winged monkeys to go there and destroy. Destroy means kill them all except the lion, because it was the wish of the Wicked Witch to make the lion and use as a horse. It was the wish of the Wicked Witch. So she ordered the winged monkeys. Next line also, the winged monkeys flew away to the place where Dorothy and her friends were walking. So very soon the winged monkeys flew away to the place where the Dorothy and her friends were walking, means coming towards the Wicked Witch. Some of the monkeys seized the Tin Woodman and carried him through the air and dropped him on sharp rocks. Here he lay dented. What is here? Some of the monkeys very soon came towards them and seized means took up the Tin Woodman and carried him through the air and dropped him on a sharp rocks. Where there were the sharp rocks, stones, there they dropped. Here he lay dented, and in this way the Tin Woodman became here separate, and here its parts became separate here. Others monkeys caught the scarecrow and with their long fingers pulled out of all the straws. On the other hand, other monkeys came and caught the scarecrow, and with their long fingers they pulled out all of the straws of the scarecrow. Means they disturb completely the scarecrow. The remaining monkeys lifted up the lion and flew away with him to the witch castle and jailed him in her courtyard. Means what is here? The remaining monkeys lifted up the lion also, and very soon they flew away with him to the witch castle and put the lion into jail, which was in the courtyard of the Wicked Witch. Courtyard means angan, we can say, means an unroofed area that is completely or partially enclosed by walls or buildings. Next one I am also taking, but Dorothy they did not harm when they saw the mark of the good witch kiss upon her forehead. What happened there? But the winged monkeys did not harm to the Dorothy because they saw the mark of the good witch good witch's kiss upon her forehead, because good witch kissed at her forehead while she departed the Dorothy. They carried her to the castle of the wicked witch and left her there. Only winged monkeys took the Dorothy to the castle of the wicked witch and left her there. The wicked witch was worried when she saw the mark on the Dorothy's forehead. Wicked witch was also very worried when she saw that there was the mark of good witch kiss on the Dorothy's forehead. She looked down at Dorothy's feet, and very soon she looked at the Dorothy's feet, and seeing the silver shoes began to tremble with fear. And as soon as she saw the silver shoes on her feet, she started trembling. Trembling means shivering with the fear. Next line, the wicked witch, which could see that Dorothy did not know of her powers, and wicked witch found that Dorothy did not know about her powers. She said to Dorothy, "Come with me." Then wicked witch said to the Dorothy that she had to go with her. Dorothy followed her to the kitchen, where the witch bade her clean the pots and kettles and sweep the floor. Dorothy started to work. Here Dorothy followed her to the kitchen, means went with her to the kitchen, where wicked witch asked to Dorothy to clean the utensils, clean the pots, kettles, and sweep the floor also. Clean the floor also. Dorothy started to work, means Dorothy started there her work. Now the wicked witch wanted to silver shoes. But what was there? Wicked witch wanted a silver shoes, so she played a trick. She placed a bar of iron in the middle of the kitchen. She placed a bar of iron in the middle of the kitchen, and then with her magic made it invisible. And with the magic she made invisible the bar of the iron. What happened there? Dorothy stumbled over the bar, and there Dorothy stumbled also over the bar. What was there kept? One of the silver shoes came off. Very soon, one of the silver shoes came off her feet, and before she could reach it, the witch snatched it away. And before she could find the shoes again, the wicked witch took it away. The little girl grew angry and said to the witch, "Give me back my shoes." Dorothy got angry and said to the wicked witch to give back her shoes. "I shall keep it," said the witch, laughing at her. Then wicked witch started laughing and said that she would keep the shoes with her. This made Dorothy so angry that she picked up the bucket of water and dashed it over the witch. And this practice made the Dorothy very angry. So she picked up the bucket full of water and threw it over the witch. Instantly Dorothy saw the witch melt before her, and very soon Dorothy saw that the wicked witch melt in front of Dorothy. After the witch had melted, Dorothy picked out the silver shoe and put it on her foot again. And as soon as the wicked witch melted in front of her, she picked up the silver shoes and put on it on her foot again. Then she ran out to the courtyard to tell the lion that the wicked witch of the west had come to an end. And very soon Dorothy come out from in the courtyard and to tell the lion that the wicked witch of the west had already came to an end. In this way the story is completed. I hope this story will be confirmed to you. So you have to go through the line wise, understand it properly. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.